Chapter 26 The reason due to which Allah chose Musa, Moses, to speak to besides his other creatures. It has been narrated, from Abu Ja'far having said, Almighty and Majestic revealed unto Musa, Do you know why chose you to speak to besides my other creatures? So Musa said, No, O Lord. So he said, O Musa, turned, considered, the apparent of my servants for the hidden, so I did not find among them anyone more humble to me than you. O Musa, you, when you pray, place your cheeks upon the dust. I heard Abu Abdullah saying, the revelation was withheld from Musa for 40 to 30 mornings. So he ascended upon a mountain at Syria called Araha. He said, O Lord, if you have withheld your revelation and your speech from me due to the sins of the children of Israel, so you have always been forgiving them. So Almighty and Majestic revealed unto him, O Musa bin Imran, do you know why I chose you for my revelation and my speech besides my other creatures? So he said, I do not know, O Lord. Considered my creatures with a consideration, but I did not find among my creatures anyone who was more humble to me than you, that is why I chose you for my revelation and my speech from between my creatures. The Imam said, whenever Musa used to pray, never finished until he had placed his right and left cheek upon the ground. Chapter 20